feeling ill. Help him get better. Choose. The bridge is covered in rocks. The road needs clearing. Which of these vehicles can help us? That's right, it's a bulldozer. There are some really big rocks on the road. Let's help clear them up. Keep tapping on the rocks to break them down into smaller chunks. Perfect! Well done. We've cleared the bridge. Let's put the parts together. Rocket body. Rocket body. Engine. 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 Main engine. Nose cone. Window. Perfect. Awesome! Time to have a bite.